guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're just seeing my face for the first time, thank you as well for clicking on my video. So in today's video, I'll be trying out some synthetic wigs for you guys, some cheap synthetic wig. I got one from Aliexpress and I got the other one from a Nigerian Instagram vendor. Like, I got it from Nigeria. So I'll be trying them out for you today because I've been really busy, and since I started my YouTube channel, I don't know, like I tend not to make my hair regularly like I used to, because I might have a video idea that I need to use myself. So these days I just find myself not making my hair anymore, so I decided to shop for some synthetic hair that I can just throw on, like easy throw on wigs, and that is what I'll be showing to you guys today. Okay, there is something about these hair companies, these people that sell synthetic hair. They advertise it in such a way that you feel that the hair is human hair, but you should know. I've seen some adverts on Facebook and on Instagram that they will say that they are selling human hair, 100% human hair, and they are on sale now. Maybe they used to sell it for, like, let's say €300, and now they've cut it down to like €50, and people are falling for it. Like, seriously, people are falling for it. People will be like, oh, let me quickly buy, or they will be like 3 for so amounts, like a really cheap price. And the models that they are using for this thing, I know that they stole the pictures or maybe the videos. Even some of them go as far as stealing videos to make these ads. So I just want to advise you guys to be careful whenever you are online shopping for hair. You should know the difference between human hair and synthetic hair. Mere hearing the price or seeing the amount they are selling this hair, you should know inside of you that this hair can never ever be human hair. That's just what I want you to know. And there's still pictures of celebrities that looks like this, yes, and this. Can you imagine, guys? So whenever you see an ad on Facebook or somewhere that says they sell human hair for €50, for €30, what should you do, my sister? Run. Don't shop from them. In fact, those are the people that sell the worst kind of hair. Like, there are some synthetic hair that you buy and oh my god, you won't be able to wear it for a day. So the synthetic hair that I'll be showing you today, they are not that bad. I've not I've not done anything to it. I just opened and looked, and I don't really know how they look, so I'll be unboxing them with you today. So guys, if you want to see how my synthetic hair looks, just keep on watching. So guys, the first one I'll be trying out is the one I got from Aliexpress, and it came like this. Of course, not like this. It was wrapped in a white nylon. I took that off, and this is what it looks like inside of it. So yeah, I'll be bringing it out. It's a curly hair, and it came with this net cap. Of course, you can't wear this net cap, so yeah, I don't know why they put it there. And this is how the hair is looking. So I'll just take this nets off, and it came with this label. Just nothing is written on it, just here. And inside of it has one comb, just one comb, as you can see, this one that is, and it has the adjustable straps, like this. You can use this to adjust the wig. That's good. At least you have security with this, with the comb and the adjustable strap. So this is how the hair is looking. It looks okay, not that bad, not that bad. So I'll take out my bonnet now, put on my wig cap and try this wig on.
And true, wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love.
Actually, this hair is not that bad. Like, look at, like what actually came out of this hair is just this. And I picked it very, very well. And I think the more you use this wig, the fuller it becomes. Like, the more beautiful it becomes. I mean, for 14 euros. What do you want again? This wig is not that bad. I think I'll get a good use out of this wig. I think, yes, I'll get a really, really good use out of this wig. It has some frizz. After picking it out, it's not that slick. It's not looking slicked again like it looked when I brought it out from the package. I'll give this 10 out of 10. Yeah, for a synthetic hair, 10 out of 10. I don't know how the wig will wear. I don't know if it will last, but I think it should, because it doesn't feel it's not tangling. It doesn't feel hard to the touch, but we'll see. I think it should last, not last. It will still stay longer than some of the synthetic hair. And this wig, I must say, looks similar to what the seller used as had. It looks very, very similar to the model she used for his or her hat. You can actually style it like this if you want.
My heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
That is that for this week. Actually, I'm looking somehow now because I've manipulated this hair a lot, but not to worry, this wig is a good wig. It's okay. The second wig that I'll be trying out is from an Instagram vendor, a Nigerian based Instagram vendor. So I got this one from her. This one looks like a 4C hair. This is how the hair is looking, and on the inside it doesn't have any comb. And actually, this is the first time that I'm looking at this wig. This is, I don't know if you can see, like they used needle and thread to sew the inside of it, like here. I don't know, it looks, and the next, I don't know what to. And this one is actually more expensive than this one. I got this one for like 13 point something. I'm not sure, but it's not up to 15 euros, maybe 13.5 or 13 point something euros. And I got this for 18,000, maybe 18,000 naira, not up to 20,000 naira. I'm not sure of the exact price, but I know it's not up to 20,000, or was it up to 20,000? I'm not sure. So this is how the hair is looking. Actually, maybe because I've worn this one, and this one looks, I don't know, no security, just the strap. Just the strap. You have to make do of this strap alone. See, you can see this one, it has the hook at the front. Like, I used it to hook my hair. Nothing can take it off, but I can't do what I'm doing to this, like pulling it backwards like this. I can't do it to this one. Okay, let's just take for instance, this one too doesn't have any hook at the back, but I might end up sewing a hook at the back, but I'm not sure. Like, your wig can't come off like this. Usually it comes off like this, and I think that was why they attached the hook at the front part of this wig. But look at the back, that doesn't have any hook. Like, it can come off easily. Me just putting it can come off easily. So I think that is what can happen with this wig. It doesn't have any hook, any kind of hook at the front or at the sides at all. Nothing, no hook, nothing. Just this strap. And let me just stop blabbing and put it on. Okay, the wig is not that bad, but one thing I noticed instantly is that the wig cap is not deep. It's kind of shallow. I don't know if you understand. Like, I have to pull. It's wide, but it's and I don't have a big head, as you can see. So the wig cap is not is shallow. I don't know how to explain. Like, a wig cap is supposed to like be like this, and I think this one is just like this. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, it's supposed to be like this to hug my head. Like, when I put it on, it's supposed to like I don't know how to explain.
She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you.
Okay, I have to cut the lace out. Okay, now I went off camera to cut off the lace closure. The only issue I have with this wig is that it doesn't have enough room for my head. The hair is so beautiful, but the only issue I have with this hair is just the wig cap. Doesn't have enough room for my head, but anyways, it's okay. I think I have a moderate sized head. Someone with a bigger head won't be able to fit in this wig. Like, it won't just stay. Like, it will be like halfway like this. It's because I have a small like, let's say, peanut head. That is why I could get away with this wig. That's it, guys. It's really full. I had to comb it out. I didn't put any product, I didn't put anything, nothing, no leave-in conditioner, no nothing. This is just me combing it out, and the hair looks so nice. I think this will last longer than this one I got from Aliexpress. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video as I did filming this video for you guys. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Yes, I'm talking to you. Please, it won't cost you anything. Like, it won't take anything out of you. It is free. Click on the red subscription button down below here. And after that, please make sure to put on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos whenever I upload a new one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Oh, baby girl for life. Baby girl for life. Love is love. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, beautiful. Oh, lovely. The wig is beautiful. Like, oh, fine. Oh, fine. More serious. Oh, fine.